Today I'm going to teach you how to make a one-dog wiener dog balloon animal. Wiener dogs are pretty popular. You can see it has a nice long snout there, some nice ears here, and a nice long body like that. Here's how you do it. I'm going to be using a red balloon. You can use whatever color you want, of course. And for the wiener dog, we're going to blow it up just the same as a regular dog, so about 2 inches left at the end, 2 to 3 inches. So right about there, as you can see right there, we have about 2 fingers, 2 inches. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're first going to let some air out, a little bit of air out, tie it off. Letting the air out allows it to soften the balloon and prevent it from popping. We're also going to give it a squeeze across the front like this and squeeze it down like this to soften it additionally so it won't pop. Now for the wiener dog, they have pretty long snouts, so we're going to do about like a 4-inch bubble for its snout. Then we're going to do the ears, so we're going to make flower petal ears like that, and we're going to twist it off, making the nice floppy dog ear. There's one ear. And now let's make the second one and make it about roughly the same size so it looks all copacetic like that. Now we have our wiener dog's face and ears. So now we're going to give it a little squeeze here. We're going to make the neck about a 1.5-inch bubble, 1 to 1.5. Then we're going to do, because we have about that much left, we're going to want a nice long body for the wiener dog. So what we're going to do is nice small legs, about 2 inches, 2.5, 2 to 2.5, and do that on both, and then twist them together. So now we have the little dog. Then we're going to do a nice long wiener dog here. So we're going to have a little tail at the end, and here we're going to have the 2 legs. So we're going to cut it off about right here. And also you can squeeze it, push it down, so if there's not, you want it to be fairly hard here so it doesn't unravel the bottom leg. Twist the one leg and then the other leg, and boom, we have our wiener dog. All right, and that's how you do the simple one-dog wiener dog. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com. See you next time.